So, children, let's start the day with another of our chapters part, our reading of the. Let's start it. You know where we dropped? Huh. Let me tell you, my dear children, we had a drop here at this particular segment. Understand? You know, they found an unconscious, injured fellow on the beach. He was absolutely torn. Okay? Now, let's start. Now Sadao remembered the wound, and with his expert fingers he began to search for it. Since he was a doctor and he could do it easily, बड़ी आसानी से ढूंढ लिया. अरे यहाँ पे है घाव. Oh, wound is here. Blood flowed freshly at his touch. Oh my God! As he touched it, fresh blood came out. On the right side of his lower back, right hand side, Sadao saw that there was a gun wound. A gun wound had been reopened. Where he was struck with a bullet, no? It was a gun wound. The flesh was blackened with powder. The flesh, his body, was black with the powder. Which powder? Gunpowder. Gunpowder, the effect of the bullet. Sometime, not many days ago, the man had been shot and had not been tended. Tended. What do you mean by this word tended? Tended means taken care of. Taken care of. Yes. It was bad chance that the rock had struck the wound. Oh my God. First he was hit by a bullet and then the waves threw him on the rocks, and with the striking of the rock somewhere that wound was reopened and now the fresh blood was coming out of it. Oh, how is he bleeding? Hana whispered. Look how fiercely he is bleeding. Whispered again in a solemn voice. Solemn stand for serious. Solemn stand for serious voice. The mist screened them, covered them. Screened means covered them. Covered them now completely, and at this time of the day no one came by. It was absolutely, yes, it was evening and no one was there on the beach. The fishermen had gone home, and even the chance of beach combers. Who are these beach combers? Beach combers are the people who just pick the seashells and all sort of things that come out of the sea. No? They just collect and they just take it, and they prepare various items. Very small seashells that they come that the sea throws out. They collect it. They are called beach combers, or rather, one who clean the beach. Beach combers. They are the people. Even they had called it a day. Would have considered the day at an end. Would have considered day at an end. They had also gone home. Right? What shall we do with this man? Sadao muttered. He spoke very slowly. Oh my God, what should we do with this man? But his trained hands seemed of their own will to be doing what they could do to stanch the fearful bleeding. To stanch. Stanch means to stop. One thing was there. Those Sadao, now look at this fellow. Sadao, as a true doctor, his mind is saying something, his heart is doing something else. He touched a body and found there must be a wound here, and he was just feeling it. His trained hands seemed of their own will. Of their own will, they were doing what they should do, what a doctor should do. Yes, the job of a doctor. To be doing what they could do means his fingers were busy in stopping the flow of blood. How they could do it, right? Now please turn the page. Now let us come to this one. Okay, he packed the wound with the sea moss that strewed that strewed the beach. Sea moss. You know what is sea moss? Sea moss is algae. Sea moss is algae. Algae, which is often found on the sea beach. This is algae. This is strewn about, and what did he do? He took a little bit of it and that strewed the beach. Strewed means that was scattered around. Strewed here stands for scattered. The man moaned with pain. Oh my God! He took that moss and thrust it into his wound to stop the bleeding. And the man moaned. Moaned stand for cried. Moaned stand for cried. With pain in his stupor. What do you mean by this word stupor? Stupor means an unconscious state. Stupor. And he did not awaken. The best thing that we could do would be to put him back into the sea. Sadao said to himself. Means he was talking to himself now. What should I do with him? Better he should be thrown back into the sea. Why? How could they help a white man, an American, as he was his enemy? The national enemy, I would say. Now that the bleeding was stopped for him, for the moment, he stood up and dusted the sand from his hands. He raised himself up. Yes, undoubtedly that would be best. Hannah also said, that would be bad. That would be the best thing. But she continued to stare down, looking constantly. Stare down means looking constantly at the motionless man. If we sheltered a white man in our house, we should be arrested, and if we turn him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die, Sadao said. Now, if that man was taken, if that man was given shelter, certainly he would be considered a non-patriotic. He would be charged by the police of helping an enemy. A charge of sedition. Sedition, you understand? Yes, to work against the country. That would be laid upon him. He would be put behind the bar. He would be imprisoned. He thought, if I gave shelter to this man, I would be arrested, and if I turn him over to the police, certainly I would be. This man would die certainly. The kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea, Hannah said. But they both were saying, but neither of them moved even. They were staring with a curious repulsion, a sort of hatred, repulsion, as hatred for this man upon the inert, motionless man, because he was unconscious, motionless, inert. Look, what is he? There is something about him that looks American. Oh, Sadao said. He took up the battered cap. Yes, they're almost gone. Was faint lettering. Some letters were written on his cap that suggested that he was from Navy, U.S. Navy. He was from. Right? Even the letters written on his cap, they were almost withered. They were almost gone. Right? Fainted they were, absolutely. He spelled it out. U.S. Navy. The man was prisoner of war. Oh my God, he has escaped, Hannah cried softly, and that is why he is wounded. Actually, let me give you a little bit background of this particular incident. He was a prisoner of war, and he was being taken in a ship. he had tried to escape. When he jumped into the sea, he was hit with a bullet at his back. Must be a Japanese soldier must have hit him at his back, and that's how he was wounded. And he was again he again came to the seashore, and by chance it was Dr. Sadao's house where he was ashore. Okay, so let's move ahead. He, in the back means he has escaped, Hana cried softly, and that is why he is wounded. Yes, in the back, Sadao agreed. They hesitated, looking at each other. Then Hana said, with resolution, with conviction. Resolution is stand for conviction. What? Come, are we able to put him back into the sea? Means, are you ready? We should throw him back into the sea. Now Sadao said, yes, if I am able, are you? Both were testing each other. They both knew that they would not be able to do it. Right? Kind-hearted persons, na? Sadao asked. No, Hana said, but if you can do it alone, अपने आप कर, मेरे बस का नहीं है. I won't do anything. I won't even touch him. Sadao hesitated again. The strange thing is, he said, that if the man were whole, I could turn him over to the police without difficulty. If the man were whole, what does it mean? What does this word mean? If you can, anybody can tell? Okay, you can imagine, because you can't tell me directly right now. If the man were whole, if this whole word is clear to you, means you would know what sort of mentality does this man has. Who? Sadao. Whole means if he had been completely healthy. If this man had been healthy, na, I could hand him over to the police without any difficulty. I care nothing for him. He is my enemy. Rather, all Americans are my enemy. And he is only a common fellow. You see how foolish his face is. But since he is wounded, but this but means a lot here, my dear children. But means a lot. Means as a doctor, he would never do it. His medical profession, the hypnotic oath that doctors take often at the beginning of their career, they say, if ever I am given a body that needs my services, I would do it without any discrimination on the base of caste, creed, religion, or nationality even. This was perhaps the thing that was stopping him, that stopped him. He said ki all Americans are my enemy. He's admitting it, and he's rather not admitting, rather proclaiming it, because we have a war with America and all Americans are my enemy. I can't accept him. But since he is wounded, he is not well, so I can think of. You also cannot throw him back to the sea, Hana said. Then there is only one thing. Okay, I know you can't do it. So one thing is there left for us. We must carry him into the house. But the servants, Sadao inquired. Oh my God, but what would we say to the servants? Let's move to the next page. Okay,